Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super fun and practical. How to rotate in Google Earth, specifically for the 2025 version. If you've ever wanted to tilt, spin, or explore the globe from a fresh perspective, this quick tutorial is for you. Google Earth is an amazing tool for virtual travel, and rotating your view can make your experience even more immersive. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest Google Earth app installed on your computer or device. Once you're logged in, open up a location you're interested in, maybe your hometown or a far-off destination. Now, to rotate, it's as simple as using your mouse or trackpad. Click and hold the right mouse button, then drag it left or right to spin the view around. You can also tilt up and down by dragging forward or backward. It's like holding a globe in your hands. For those of you on a laptop or using a touchscreen, swipe with 2 fingers to rotate. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press the Shift key while using the arrow keys for precise control. In the 2025 update, Google Earth has made this even smoother with enhanced graphics, so you'll notice a more fluid motion. One tip: if things feel a bit sticky, go to the Settings menu under View and adjust the navigation sensitivity to your liking. This way, you can avoid any frustration and enjoy the ride. Rotating isn't just for show. It helps you see topography, buildings, and landscapes from all angles, perfect for planning trips or studying geography. Give it a try on your next session. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite Google Earth feature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Safe exploring.